Hello everyone, it's Panaman3679 here. Sorry I haven't recently been uploading. A lot of stuff has been going on, like school. And since school's almost out, I'll definitely be able to upload more sooner and stuff. Sorry guys, I haven't made a video in a while. And yeah, let's get into this. I also unlocked some things. Oh my god, again with the music. Okay, gonna turn you down. Okay. Yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me even better. Whoa. So, yeah, I unlocked a companion. I'm going to unlock Harley. Fiercely loyal. Apparently, he's like a guy that you get if you complete trials. And the one that I have unlocked is Blitz. The Doberman. The one. The only. Blitz. Now, I got this guy for 25,000 coins, and I had to save up a lot. Yeah. So I also unlocked new modes, like Trial of the Dead, and Massacre, I mean. And yeah. So let's just get into this, shall we? But yeah, sorry again that I haven't been uploading recently. And it's because since school's almost out, a lot of stuff. So, yeah. Hey, guys, be nice. Sorry, it's my dogs. Woo. Now, he is really good. He kills zombies a lot faster than Prince did. Now, hopefully, you guys will see right now. Come on. Do a kill. Get wrecked, son. Ooh. Oh yeah, pistols. Choo, choo, choo. This is amazing. Okay, what is up with all the weird noises? I'm getting kind of spooked now. Kind of spooked. Sure. So yeah, guys, like I've said before, I know. Oh yeah. I forgot to say that I have unlocked a lot of new guns lately, and yeah, this is one of them, the rifle. Oh no, don't die! Ah! No, don't die! Pistol. Ah, shoot them! Ah! Dang it! Man, look at Blitz go at it. So yeah, I've been into this game for a while. Sorry I haven't done lots of videos like I said. And hopefully you guys are enjoying this video right now if you are watching. And that's all I really have to say. Now, this video isn't going to be long like most of my videos, but it'll be enough, hopefully, to please you guys. Blop. Double kill. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, no! 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 Nah. No ads. Okay, no, I'm good. Dang, still got a lot to go. Dang. I really don't have much to say. Cause, I don't know. Oh, I also got new glasses. I'll be making a video on that soon. And I know you guys must be wondering, when is the special thing coming up from my previous videos that I said now? I promise you all, I will do it this Saturday and Sunday. It has to be this Saturday and Sunday. Bloody chainsaw. Chainsaw massacre. I am the Chainsaw Texas Killer. Oh, we got Prince. Texas Chainsaw Killer! I will shoot any of you. Come on, come at me. Blah. Oh, one shot kill. Blah. Blah. Now one shot kill. Get wrecked. You know, the way he throws the guns, I'm surprised that does not hit any zombies in the head and just knocks them out. That'd be funny. Just, hey, who threw that gun at me? I don't know. Yep. Woo. Chainsaw Massacre! Ah! Oh, no, bullets! Oh, I thought you were gonna kill that zombie. Oh, dude. Blank. Blank. Fire! 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I also unlocked a grenade. Man, I'm surprised how long this guy can run. Like, I could barely run probably a mile. And boom, get wrecked. Well, instead of running into the zombie hordes, why not run away from them? I mean, like, you can probably climb up a tree and be safe up there. That's what I would do. That hand just got in my face. I don't know how that did not grab me. No! Oh, yes! Die! Get wrecked, sons! Oh, come on. I'm almost about to get a new record, please. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Blitz, help me. Blitz! Blitz! No! No! That was horrible. Well, guys, sorry again. This video has been almost 8 minutes, surprisingly. I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Also, what I've been meaning to say, I just checked out my YouTube channel. And 38 subscribers. What? Thank you all. I definitely have to do that special thing now. What is up with my phone? So yeah, guys. Sorry for the black screen. Bye. Thank you all. Bye. 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 Bye.